Alright, so as a 0331, which is a networking administration specialist, I fuck with routers and switches. And we started since I graduate with next week. That's all we've been doing. And we finally touched cables, like Ethernet cables, Cat5 cables. And so we made one. So I'm gonna show y'all. Obviously I don't have the clippers to do it, to clamp on the heads to it and shit. But I can show y'all how to do it. So we got a Cat5 cable. See the 4 sets of strings. Let's see on this one. There's 8 strings, 4 sets of 2. You got orange, green, blue, and brown. So what you do is straighten them all out. We'll first unwind them all. It's real easy too. Takes like 2 minutes really, if you cut properly and it doesn't fuck up. You see it's already cut. Usually it'd be full covered with the blue shed. You would have to cut the shed off and then it'll look like this. But I cut it prior so that I can show you as much as I can without the pliers, little clippers. So you straighten them all out, make it look like a star looking thing, and then the order of it is white and orange, orange, white and green, oops, yeah, white and green, blue, what was that shit? Ooh, that was white and blue. Oh, white and orange, orange, white and green, blue, white and blue, green, white and brown, and brown. And so once you got the order, you wanna straighten it all so that it stays in that order. Like once you let go, so what you do is you put your thumb on it, grab the bottom, and you see it in order, and you just wanna twist it like left and right to straighten it out. You see how it's like kind of like fucked up a little bit? Just swing it. You wanna make sure it stays in the order. My little green's a little twisted on the end. Sometimes you gotta toy with it if it acts stupid. So you see it's in the order, and then once you get it, you would usually cut it so that there's like about an inch or 2 left. You see how this extra long? See how long this is? Look how much space would be unprotected. So you get it, you cut it with the little clippers, and then you just stick it in. But for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna show y'all. It'd be like perfectly. It'd be like this width. It'd be like perfectly, like just put inable. But since I can't cut it, you pushing it all the way so that you see the copper, little copper me. Fucking quality bad. The copper, you push the wire so all the way in so that when you looked at it like this, well, you can't, it's fucking horrible quality. But at the bottom piece, that you could see the tips of each wire. So like here, I don't have the brown one in, it's kind of fucked up a little bit. But like this, only the dark brown isn't fully in. So that's that side. See, I got one side done. In the end, it looked like this, but this is a longer one. Once you get this part done, you put it in the clipper thing, and you squeeze the clamp. You squeeze the clamps together so that it squeeze the wires in so that you couldn't pull it off like this. But you know, obviously I don't got the fucking thing. So I got bored and I made the world's smallest Ethernet cable. Oh yeah, I didn't squeeze that on. I mean, I did, but I got one clamped on. This one's not. But this is a properly made Ethernet cable. Small as fuck, right? I'm not gonna do that one because I'm lazy. But yeah, that's how you make a simple Cat 5 cable. I mean, this one's made already. This actually would work. I could plug it in somewhere and shit. But you know, that's it, man.